Welcome, class. Today we shall explore the alphabet through the magic of cooking. Look closely. These letters are the ingredients for every story we tell. I can make a song with the letters. Tap, tap, tap. Precision, Pippin. P is for pig and also for pancake.
I caught them, Professor. I am making a letter soup.
To the refrigerator. Let us see what words we can build together.
We need one more. Where is the K?
A book is the best recipe for the mind, my young friends.
We did it! We are the smartest pigs in the kitchen!
Until next time, keep hungry for knowledge. Class dismissed. Oh my, it seems our kitchen has more secrets to share today. Those jars contain the most delicious vowels in the land. All aboard the Silver Express. Hold on tight to your ears. Wow! I can see the top of the toaster from here.
Look, Penny. These cookies are shaped like the letters that make words sing.
Find the letter U, Pippin. It is the key to unlocking the snack cupboard. Got it. It is all bendy and golden. Careful, Penny. We do not want to become part of the floor decorations. Mission accomplished, Professor! We have the Golden U! Excellent work! With this vowel, our snack is finally complete. Very good! Now, place the U right in the center to complete our tasty word. Look! Y-U-M spells yum! Our lesson has turned into a feast. A job well done, my little scholars. Remember, every letter is a treat for the soul.